Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back for another video. And this time it's another unboxing. Finally, we've got it in, the S21 Ultra, the one that sits at the top of the S21 tree. And yeah, I'm eager to get this one unboxed and get into it, man. So definitely, no doubt, let's get unboxing the S21 Ultra. Now, before we go ahead, I wanted to say a big thank you to Vodafone UK for supplying the S21 Ultra for testing and review. There will be links in the description below for all the latest deals that you can get with the S21 Ultra on Vodafone UK, as per usual. And I always say this, the support and the consistent support from Vodafone UK for the channel has been phenomenal. So definitely go show them some love. And yeah, man, this is it, the S21 Ultra, the big daddy, the top one. The Ultra of all Ultra phones as it's meant to be, and it set the pace for 2021 right from the beginning. So yeah, let's unbox it. Actually no, before we unbox it, what have we got? We've got the Phantom Black, I believe. Yeah, Phantom Black, because it signifies with the color of the SF. Phantom Black, 128 gigabytes, 12 gigabytes of RAM, dual SIM, 2 actual SIMs, which you know I'm a big advocate for. All right, let's unbox it. Oh, okay. So you've seen many unboxings, and like I always say, I like doing them because they're fun. Oh, okay. Wow. Already, this feels very, very dense. It's got weight to it, yeah, but it's not the weight of, it feels dense. Oh my days. Okay. All right, let me put this down for a minute. And as per usual, you've seen all the many videos and the rants that I've put on the channel about it, but you don't get an included charger in a box. You're only getting a USB-C to C cable, which if you're coming from a Galaxy S10 series, which you most likely will, or S9 series 2-3 upgrade, your charger's not gonna work with this USB-C to C cable. You're gonna have to still buy one. So yeah, really well thought out in that section, right? But we beat on that, you know, drum. I'm gonna put this to the side, and this is the center of attraction. Let's do some top-down shots. Ooh, Phantom Black. Damn. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. And I was not sure if I was gonna like this over the S21 Plus, but already I'm feeling it. And it doesn't feel that much bigger than I was expecting it to feel. I was expecting it to feel bigger than that because obviously it's 6.8 inches. I'm gonna compare it to the S21 Plus as well as the Note 20 Ultra and see, because the Note 20 Ultra has a slightly bigger display at 6.9 inch. All right, let's boot this bad boy up. Yeah, this is Phantom Black. Ooh, yeah. Even still got the plastics. Let's remove that. Fresh. All right. Cool. All right, let me get into the main menu very quickly as I do. All right then, so we are getting into the phone. And the beauty of what sets this one apart, yeah, they upped it. They pretty much answered, yeah, what was my main critique of the previous ones from last year. Being able to have both the high resolution as well as the high refresh rate at the same time. So you've got the adaptive LTPO 120 Hz display, and then you've got the ability to bump it all the way up to W, which is obviously wide quad high definition plus 3200 by 1440p at the same time. Yes, at the same time. So you get the crispiness and the battery smoothness at the same time. Thank you, Samsung. Thank you, Samsung, for listening and getting it done. I still think you could have done it from before and actually added 90 Hz. I'm looking at you, A52, A72 with 90 Hz. But nonetheless, this is what sets the Ultra apart from the rest. And obviously you've got the beast camera in there with the ultra wide, the standard, the ×3 zoom, and the ×10. Yeah, this is looking beastly. It just feels well distributed. You can feel the weight, but it feels dense. It just feels very dense. It feels really dense. Ooh, and the curves are not as pronounced. All right, what we're gonna do? Let me just grab these two. Quick side-by-side comparison, yeah? Keep these as clean as possible. Well, as relevant as they are. Right. Put this to the side here. Bring this in the center. S21 Plus, Phantom Violet. S21 Ultra, Phantom Black. And then you've got the Mystic Bronze for the S20 Ultra. Yeah, the S20 Ultra, the Note 20 Ultra, sorry, the Note 20 Ultra definitely seems slightly bigger. Yeah, definitely seems slightly bigger. Yeah, definitely seems slightly bigger. So that's something that I'm really liking about this. And the edges on the screen, I don't know if you're able to see it, but they definitely feel less pronounced compared to the Note 20 Ultra. Definitely more, yeah, okay. I have to admit, man, I do love the flat display on the S21 Plus, and it doesn't feel that much bigger than the S21 Plus personally. It really doesn't. It doesn't feel that much bigger than the S21 Plus. What do you think? Yeah, because I was worried that I wouldn't like the handling of the S21 Ultra and it might just be a bit too big. But you know what? This is the difference in how Samsung just makes these bigger screen phones feel much more manageable. Not smaller, just much more manageable. Lone quote, 12 Pro Max, which I barely use. Do you see that? Do you see the difference? Do you see the brick that is off the 12 Pro Max versus the S21 Ultra? You see it? You see the width? There's a cylinder, you can see it. It's slightly, and the curve's enough, you know, even though it's slightly taller because obviously it's a bigger display, so much more manageable. That's the difference. Right? That is the difference maker right there. Yeah, this feels so much more manageable for a big display phone. 6.8 inches, 3200 by 1440p, 120 Hz at the same time, Super AMOLED, dynamic AMOLED display as they call it now, really bright display panel. Come on. Dual SIM, yeah, I'm eager to test this one. I'm gonna be popping out the main SIM from the Note 20 Ultra, which again, shout out to Vodafone for letting me use that throughout the time. It's gonna go in there, we're gonna run it through its paces. The S21 Plus, pretty much done my first impressions, so go check that out. And I'm running it through its paces. You're gonna see all the other tests that I'm gonna be doing on it as well. But comparing it to the big phones, wow, I'm just surprised how much more manageable the S21 Ultra is versus the 6.7 inch brick of a flat boxy phone that is a 12 Pro Max. And how much more, it's not that much bigger than the S21 Plus, even though I really love the flat display of the S21 Plus. And the Note 20 Ultra is the biggest, and the curved screen is so much more pronounced to the point where you don't notice how pronounced it is versus the S21 Plus and even the S21 Ultra. So much more manageable. 6.8 inches, and this just feels so nice. Yeah, we're gonna set this up. First impressions coming soon. All the tests that needed. Watch out for it, no doubt. And yeah, another shot. And that is pretty much it, man. that is my unboxing of the S21 Plus. Let me know what you want to see in regards to the S21 Plus. I'm going to run it through its paces as per usual. So yeah, watch out. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that comes on the S21 Ultra on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time, man. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.